Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will do another reaction video from Jaren. So this is the album launching ata yesterday or last night ni Jaren, and of course, andito si Kai. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Anong ganap nila dito for today's video? Hinahanap ko yung full version na kumanta si Kai together, I don't know kung together with Jaren, hindi lang ako sure. Hinahanap ko siya pero hindi ko siya mahanap. Ay, ang gwapo talaga. Ang gwapo ni Jaren, no? Gwapo talaga na siya. Kanta niya ba yan? Yan ba yung Gimme Gimme Gimme? Hindi ko pa pinapakinggan yung Gimme 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 kasi gusto ko siyang gawa ng reaction video. Kaya gusto ko pause muna tayo. Kasi on the spot usually yung reaction video ko, di ba? Yan ba yung Gimme Gimme? Hindi. Okay. Ang ganda ng kanta. Okay. Ay, hello. Ay, ganda ng boses si Kai. Ito ba yung kanta ni Kai? Uy, kumanta siyang If I Got You. Oh my God, I need the full. Ay, bongga. Hala, nakakainis naman. Wait lang, nakakainis. Saan ko mahahanap yung full version noon? Oh my God, please i-comment nyo sa akin at i-mention nyo ako sa Instagram, please. Gusto ko gawa ng reaction video. Hello? Wait lang, ilan yung kanta sa isang album ni Jaren? Make It Sense. Parang ang ganda ng mga kanta niya ngayon I mean, ang ganda ng kanta niya. Ay, ito. Ito, 1 minute. Ay, hello. Bakit ganun? Magkalayo naman sila, pero kinikilig ko. Bakit naman sila? Hindi naman sila the way they talk each other. Malisyosa. What is malisyosa? Napaka-malisyosa ko talaga for today's video. Naiyak din ako kasi cutie. Cutie. Kasi? Kasi ano Kai? Charis, proud ka. Sabihin mo. Okay. Oy! Oh my God! Ito ba? Ay, si JP, tsaka si Jad. Proud of you. Oh my God. You are not just a friend to me. Hindi mo kaya yun. Naaway.
Naiyak ako right now kasi I'm so proud of him. Bakit
Yeah.
ganun?
Yes.
I was in the backstage kanina. Nakita ko si Tita Jo umiyak. Sabi ko, naiiyak din ako kasi
Kasi,
are family to me, Jaren. I really see you doing whatever this is now. I'm so proud of you. I'm really proud of you. Congratulations. Nakitira lang tayo sa bahay ni Kuya. And now you're here performing solo.
I was eating her bread in the house and I was waiting.
Oo nga, inaaway na ako doon. Naiyak ako right now kasi...
This is so cute.
Bakit ganon? Pero...
Okay. Ay! Sinahag. Sana may malapit na ano, no? May malapit na what do you call this? Nakuha. Sa natin, itong mahaba-haba. Layag na layag pala sila kagabi. Oh, Kyren, ano na? Ang ganda naman ang morning natin for today's video. Ano na, Kyren? I-spill nyo yan. I-chika nyo na yan kung ano dapat i-chika for today's video. Nanggigigil ako.
I would like to congratulate you, Jaren. I was at the backstage kanina. Nakita ko si Tita Jo umiiyak. Sabi ko, naiiyak din ako kasi... oh my... Kasi, you know, we were housemates, we were once housemates inside the bahay of Kuya. And Kuya, Ate Jo, Ate Jo.
Ate Jo. Ate Jo.
Kasi, you know, you're not just a friend to me.
You're not just a friend to me.
No, you are family to me, Jaren.
Your family.
I really see you doing whatever this is now. I'm so proud of you. I'm really proud of you. Congratulations. Nakitira lang tayo sa bahay ni Kuya.
No, ito pala yung full version eh.
I was eating her bread in the house and I was waiting.
Oo nga, inaaway na ako doon.
Inaaway niya ako doon. May tono talaga siya.
Right now kasi
Iyak ako right
so proud
now.
of him. Bakit ganon? Pero,
Oh my God.
Everybody give it up for Kai Montinola.
Kai Montinola.
That was without warning. Kumusta guys? Are you still having fun?
Gwapo ni Johnny. Ang ganda talaga na. Ay, ito full to eh.
Alright, because I have another friend with me.
Sino to?
Yeah.
Ay, wait lang. Gawa natin ito ng isang reaction video. Dalawahin natin. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Our Kyren compilation. Baka kasi kakanta dito si Kai eh. So, yeah. This is Kijama Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!